Hello everybody, welcome to another Zabbix video. This time we are talking about uptime monitoring, how I prefer to use the type of thing. Like uptime is very important for servers or even network equipment, and in this video I will share my approach how by using single template it can be like used inside the Linux, inside the Windows, inside the server, or inside the workstation. A single template will generate two different messages based on the situation. And here it is. This is the template. It is. I'm using a nested template tree. It's used inside the Linux bundle. I call these like wrapper templates. This is my central object, which is applied to all Linux stations, and then the same object is also applied to the Windows nested template tree. And inside this template, we are running a single agent item. This is active item, and I prefer to run uptime every 30 seconds and using hard-coded scheduling interval. That's my approach, and this is like the base for all the other items. This trigger, this item is having quite the default trigger. If the uptime is less than 10 minutes, then this is kind of like then we have we know like the system just got restarted, so we are having disaster trigger. And then there is this another condition that this may be workstation or may not be workstation, and this is the idea. Inside the template level, I have a flag. Workstation equals 0, which means by default every server which will receive this module, it will be treated as a server. And then if I use this template for workstation, then I don't want to know when the uptime just got restarted. I have a different preference, and the other trigger is over here, which is dependent item. Here is the uptime item, and what's interesting is like this is really reporting back real uptime, and then some dependent item which is called last online, and what it does is inside the pre-processing it's producing the timestamp, like not the seconds which is the uptime, but completely, it's introducing completely different meaning. It will completely destroy the original value about the uptime. We see like there is no keyword as value inside the actual script. It will read what time is it right now in the proxy or inside the central server and report back the time now. So that's it's called last online, and if this item stops to receive the data, in case it's a workstation, then it will stick this last online. It will stick to last position, and then I just know like when the workstation was online for the last time. And it's fine if this is like if this item is reported. If this template is attached to servers, it will also tell like when the server was online for the last time. And what happens else? Like here, last online, and this is the other trigger. So instead of saying the server got restarted, we have a special flag here. If this is a workstation, let's use completely different title, and now it says like is online, and here I can receive messages in my mobile phone when somebody starts to use the PC or the workstation in this very moment. So it's not when the system got restarted, but it's now more gentle message to indicate we are online. And I forgot to tell like here inventory is online. So this is another one. What it does, it's using calculated item, and it will look on this, where it looks on system uptime data, and it's counting how many metrics are inside the system uptime. If it counts like something 0, then okay, this system is down. And if it counts more, then there is a special pre-processing. Like if it's more than 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then it will just blindly report number 1, which indicates like, okay, the system is online right now. And the entertaining part is here. I'm not storing history, I'm not storing trends, but we are having value mapping online now, and we are also sending to the inventory, which allows to create a nice table about your servers. Let me show. Here inside the global dashboard, I have like a table about all the systems, and there is a column online, yes, no, and I can sort this one with the see which workstations are offline at the moment. So it kind of costs nothing to store in the inventory, but still here in the table it gives, from my point of view, it gives like big value to be confident if this station is online at the moment or not online. Okay, another one is inventory uptime in days, and here if we study, here it is also working with the uptime, and it will just use this mathematical function like to find out how many days it is online, and this thing also is not storing anything inside the database. There is history, there is trends, and we are it's completely off, and we are forwarding to the inventory. And then inside the global dashboard, like I have another one, always online, and there is like a days up, like the way how this is implemented. The top hosts widget allows to target an inventory over here, and I can tell how many days this system is online right now. Okay, that is everything. This is sort of like inspirational video. I hope it gives like some ideas how you would like to approach your infrastructure, your, I don't know, home lab. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.